Next, under stimulus, broadband noise, pseudorandom noise, and chirp, you're not going to use these within live speech mapping. Below that, we have ISTS. ISTS stands for the International Speech Testing Signal. It's about 21 different women speaking 6 different languages, one after another. It's mainly used in the VA systems and overseas, and it's just another speech stimulus that you have access to. Below that, you have ICRA, which you won't use within live speech mapping. Music file is going to be your rainbow passage or your sound sensations. Then you have CD player. As long as your computer or laptop has a CD drive, you'll have the option to use a CD player. Great for music. If somebody comes in and they're in a band or they're in a choir at church, you can have them bring in that type of music if they're wanting you to create a specific music program. Or if there's a part of a song or an instrument where it's making the hearing aid sound funny or get distorted, you can try and recreate that using the CD and the music that they bring in. Below CD player, you have open fit function. Now with open fit function, you want to make sure you use it with all true open fit hearing aids, so open dome. So right now we have music file selected with the check, and we have open fit function selected. And once we have that, we're going to hit the green start button, and this prompt is going to come up. Please make sure the hearing aid is turned off or removed from the ear. Select start to calibrate the reference level for the current microphone position. So we don't actually have to turn the hearing aid off or remove from the ear. We'll have our fitting software open, so all we have to do is just mute the hearing aid. Once that is done, we're going to hit the start button here. And the calibration signal is going to come out and calibrate to whatever target you have selected here. And then it's going to stop. It's giving you the chance to unmute the hearing aids in the fitting software. And now when we hit the green start button, the file is going to come out and it's not going to play a calibration tone.
When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air.
And so basically what this is for, when you have so much hardware around the ear, so you have the hearing aid, the probe mic, and an open dome. When that calibration signal comes out, it's being amplified by the hearing aid, going into the ear, bouncing off of the eardrum, and coming back out. And since that reference mic and the hearing aid is so close, it can create a feedback loop, which this open fit function is eliminating that possibility.